back. So today I received my Boxycharm box, and this box came late because today is what, the 18th, and I barely received it. Normally I'll get the box around the 8th, so this is extremely late for me. Now this is the base box, and this is a $25 monthly subscription where you get about 5 items every single month. So if you want more information, go ahead and check out my link in the description, and you guys can sign up and do all that jazz. But let's go ahead and get into this one. So here you go. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. I already cut it. Wait. I'm confused. I'm missing my pamphlet. Nope, I didn't get a pamphlet this month. It comes late and I didn't get a pamphlet. It's okay, as long as all my products are in here. Okay, so this is from First Aid Beauty. This is the Facial Radiance Pad. This helps exfoliate, tone, and brighten. So we have that right there. It smells clean like a soap with no scent. And then next I have from London, the Everyday Vacay. This is the coconut setting powder. I always like their packaging. It's so cute and girly. I don't smell coconut. Then I'm glad I received these. It was between this and the brushes from Alamar. Though I really want to try Alamar brushes. I have so many brushes and I really don't have a lot of blending brushes. So I did want to try this. Luxie Complete Sponge Set. Bake, contour, and detail. And this is the one that I've been waiting for, is my foundation from Becca. We were able to select our shade. My exact shade wasn't available. It was an option. So I did go, I think, a shade up. Here it is. It is a good size, full size. You have your pump. And this is the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. So the last thing I have in my box is, this looks like it's collab from Evio Skin and Aurora, if I'm saying that right. This is the Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes, and we always need wipes. We're going to go ahead and try what I can on. So I went ahead and wet one of the blenders. This is size, you see it increased drastically. And I'm going to test out the foundation and the setting powder, and I think that's what I can do today. But we'll go ahead and test it out. There you go. Okay. I really like the way it looks, and I do like this blending sponge. I'm using the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. So on this side of the face, I'm going to go ahead and use the London powder. And then on the other side, I'm going to use my standard powder that I use. It's not making my face as white as I thought it would be, but we'll see. And then on this side of my face, I'm going in with the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. I'll tell you right now that this does look really soft. I'm going to go to the store, come back, I have to get stuff for dinner, and then we'll take a look and see how the foundation and the powder are doing, and we'll check back in. Okay guys, so it's been about 6 hours, and I think the foundation looks pretty good. I don't know what else to say. I think it was a really good box. I'm really happy with this month. And in this video, I'm going to go ahead and announce the giveaway winner, which is... Congratulations, Sylvia Jackson. Please contact me. You have 48 hours to do so, or I'll be selecting another winner. But stay tuned because we do have another giveaway going up, and I'm preparing that video for you, so you should have that up by tomorrow. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. This way you don't miss a video. As always, guys, I love you, and I'll see you in the comments below or my next video, whichever comes first. Have a blessed day.